passionately talking about, that you're talking about skill development, you're talking about, various, different interventions, and cluster skill development is one such important one which is not getting its due attention. This is a couple of years before cluster skill development became also a part of the government's agenda. So from the point of view of looking at this at a fresh and I will say at a very, very focused approach, I think Dr. Koshi has brought this into the limelight. Before that, before what he is even in his book and in his various ways that he's advocated, it was something like, a traditional cluster is there, but it has nothing to do with how can it be modest, how can it be an impetus for skill and employment, how can it provide a design-based market and a contemporary way of looking at that. It's like almost, okay, fine, if Firozabad is glass, if Purja is pottery, if there is, Petha in Agra, it's almost as if it's there, but it has nothing to do with providing livelihood, employment, contemporary markets, a global, approach. His approach in not only in the book, but also the way that he has brought it about, while he has done a whole lot of work in the textile and apparel, it has lessons for everywhere. So in that sense, what he has done is to look at the cluster approach in a completely different, fresh perspective. You need design thinking, you need technology, you need brand. Otherwise, it will not become something that youth are interested in, because this is not aspirational. Which youth of Agra would want to get into Petha? Which youth of Firozabad would want to get into, Bengal? And of the various 4,500, clusters, not just in the traditional, but then of course other manufacturing. So this intervention approach that he's talking about, and there are various ways in which he has already done a successful, roadmap for it in the textile and apparel, and all of you spoke about the wonderful work he's done, and I know it. I've heard so much about it. So that's like a one very, very important approach, and I'm glad that not just the skilled ministry, but also a lot of states are looking into it. Of course, ODOP is a prime, great roadmap that it has provided on how to look at a cluster approach, bring that into, mix that with design, with market, with skill development, with what industry demands, and with also e-commerce. And he's given an example in the book about how just a simple fact about Amazon adding on to providing market approach just can give a big boost to cluster development. So I think that's like a wonderful way that he has provided for this, and looking at cluster skill development in different light. I thank Mr. Koshi because I think what he mentioned some time back, it's the first time that there is a book, some kind of a research on the skill aspect. I'm very glad to be author of the second and